12 reasons why reading books should be part of your life, backed by science. Did you know that reading just 30 minutes a day can literally change your brain? Hi everyone, welcome back to your channel name. Today, we're diving into 12 science-backed reasons why reading books should be a non-negotiable part of your life. Whether you're a bookworm or someone who hasn't picked up a book in years, this video is for you. Let's get started. 1. Boost brain power. Reading strengthens your brain. A study published in Neuroimage found that reading increases connectivity in the brain, especially in the somatosensory cortex, which processes sensory information. This means reading literally rewires your brain to work better. 2. Reduces stress. Reading reduces stress. A 2009 study by the University of Sussex found that reading for just 6 minutes can reduce stress levels by up to 68%. That's more effective than listening to music or going for a walk. 3. Improves empathy. Reading makes you more empathetic. Research from science journals shows that reading fiction improves your ability to understand others' emotions and perspectives. It's like a workout for your emotional intelligence. 4. Enhances memory. Reading improves memory. A study from neurology found that engaging in mentally stimulating activities like reading can slow down cognitive decline and even delay the onset of Alzheimer's disease. 5. Expands vocabulary. Reading expands your vocabulary. The more you read, the more words you're exposed to. This not only helps you communicate better, but also boosts your confidence in professional and social settings. 6. Improves focus and concentration. Reading improves focus. In a world full of distractions, reading trains your brain to concentrate on one task for extended periods. This skill translates to better productivity in other areas of life. 7. Sparks creativity. Reading sparks creativity. A study in the Creativity Research Journal found that reading fiction enhances creative thinking by exposing you to new ideas and perspectives. 8. Improves sleep quality. Reading improves sleep. The Mayo Clinic recommends reading a physical book before bed as part of a relaxing bedtime routine. Just avoid screens. They can mess with your sleep hormones. 9. Increases lifespan. Reading can help you live longer. A Yale University study found that people who read books for 30 minutes a day lived an average of 2 years longer than non-readers. Talk about a life hack. 10. Build critical thinking skills. Reading builds critical thinking. Whether it's a mystery novel or a non-fiction book, reading challenges you to analyze information, make connections, and think deeply. 11. Provides affordable entertainment. Reading is affordable entertainment. With libraries and ebooks, you can access countless stories and knowledge without breaking the bank. It's a win-win. 12. Makes you happier. Reading makes you happier. A study by the Reading Agency found that people who read regularly report higher levels of life satisfaction and overall happiness. Who doesn't want that? Final words. So, there you have it. 12 science-backed reasons why reading books should be part of your life. Whether it's boosting your brain, reducing stress, or just making you happier, the benefits are undeniable. So, grab a book and start reading today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. What's your favorite book? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.